Hi guys, welcome to Perseverance Software Training Institute. All right, I'm Sai Chiran. Let's get kick started with this, you know, Kubernetes series. Let's firstly understand. We have this this suit, right? People here and there, or whenever we try to check the roadmap for Kubernetes, we see something called as Docker, right? So let me tell you that. See, actually, we have something like containers, right? So Docker is a tool which is basically responsible for creating containers. All right. Docker is not a tool which is meant for orchestrating containers, meaning managing containers in residing in multiple servers. All right. So meaning of that is right. So let me tell you that this is one host. All right, this is another host. Here we have some container, here we have some container. So Docker is meant to create containers, that's it, but it is not meant to manage these two containers. Okay, managing this kind of thing we call container orchestrator. All right, so what is container orchestrator is nothing but container management tool, meaning server 1, server 2, server, say server 3. All right, we have container 1, container 2, container 3. If every container should be managed with a single, with a single tool or so. So these kind of setup, we need an orchestrator. All right, orchestrator is who can manage any number of containers on any servers. All right, so Docker is container creation tool, I would say, and Kubernetes is that which is container management tool. That is where, so Docker is container creation tool, and Kubernetes is container management tool, and we can call as container orchestrator. All right. So if somebody says, what is the difference? What you would say? Just understand that Docker is container creation tool. Kubernetes is container orchestration tool. All right. Fine, guys. So we got the clarity which tool does what. So this particular series will cover Kubernetes in English. All right. So we have very short and crisp sessions with in deep technology detail. All right. So all right, we'll catch up later with the latest video. Thank you.